how's it going? Today on Halloween drawings, we're gonna go over how to draw a zombie, kind of zombie arm. You know, it's kind of been separated from its body. So we're gonna do that. It's pretty cartoony. We're using this marker right here. This is a Faber-Castell PITT artist pen. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the side of the hand. It's gonna be like the small end of the finger. Pull down. Other finger. Other finger. And the last of the fourth finger. They're all very much the exact same shape, so they don't have to be identical to this, but something in that form. Pull down. Pull like a C curve across. Pull down right here. Fat pad of the hand right here. The hand itself has this little fatty pad on the thumb. Palm of the hand. Just throw a little line across. Pull down. Pull down. And I'm going to throw kind of like a suit, end of a suit on it. Like somebody tore it off, some suit guy. You can throw it almost like he's wearing a bracelet. Pull down. There's not another shape there. It's gonna be like I said, like a suit kind of. Pull down here, and then it's gonna come to just kind of a frayed end, like it was ripped off or something. And then we're gonna draw straight here. Hopefully this fits on the page. Straight down, and we're gonna draw a bone shape. Kind of a cartoony bone shape out the bottom. And that's pretty much it. I'll throw one little line there for the other side of the fat pad. And that's pretty much it. If you really want, you can throw maybe like blood shapes, just kind of wiggly lines here. You can throw them on the hand as well. But that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully it was simple enough, and I hope you make your own. So I will see you very soon. One more thing before you go, if you watch this long, please hit that like button, and also click the subscribe. I'm gonna be posting every day until Halloween. And the other thing, I'm actually throwing another dark line across the whole thing on the contour. And then subscribe to the main channel. So the main channel is a channel I put most of my stuff on, which is easythingstodraw.net. Go to that channel and check that out as well. Thank you so much, guys. Say hi to me in the comments. I say hi. I reply to every single comment. I'll talk to you guys soon.